So I think the important thing is if you know communication and engagement is the foundation to everything else in maintenance, you know that doing it well is the element of how quickly somebody does the thing they're supposed to do, whatever that is, whether it's vendor scheduling, technician being responsive, resident responding to some troubleshooting inquiries at that time. So one of the things that comes down to, all right, so how do I actually build that into my business? Of being able to track my efficacy. So not super easy, candidly. There's a lot of people who've tried to find ways to measure responsiveness, even in a company. Like, we think ticket times and how long are they open and how long are, until you respond to them. I believe maintenance is no different. How quickly somebody responds to something is really important. And a lot of the time, measuring engagement is really about how fast a vendor takes a job. So speed to acceptance is a really important engagement metric. Speed to schedule, from assignment to scheduling, is really an engagement metric where you'll measure how fast the vendor's taking action, but how fast the resident and the vendor connect as well. Is the second one. And then the third one, just from the internal side of things, if you are running internal technicians, the speed at which you assign it to internal, that they have something scheduled. So you're able to actually look at your engagement, both on how fast you're taking it as a vendor, am I taking the job? But two, that engagement measurement of getting that initial scheduling done. Those are all really good